Okay, so in this decision of choosing a change of status versus consular processing, there are some situations in which you would want to choose consular processing. So consular processing is when you will get an H-1B, but it will only take effect when you leave. If you're not already here, you get a visa, and then you enter the United States in H-1B status. So the earliest possible day to enter before the October 1st start date is 10 days before the petition start date. So if people are currently outside of the United States and they get selected in April for an October 1st start date, then they'd probably be entering in late September, and you might want to use premium processing to get their visa interview scheduled sometime in summer. This is still going to be difficult in 2022 because the consulates are still understaffed. So once again, refer back to the other video about a change of status. We pretty often recommend that folks who can qualify for a change of status should do it, especially in COVID times. However, there is one situation where it might be advantageous for somebody who's currently in the US to seek consular processing. I mean, if you have to travel back home over the summer and so you won't be maintaining your status here, that would be a good reason. Also, there is such a long wait time for people born in India and China to seek green cards. If somebody from one of those countries gets selected for an H-1B in their first year of OPT, and maybe they have 2 years of STEM OPT left, they might want to try to use up all of their 3 years of OPT before they embark into H-1B status. So that's a conversation to have with your candidate. People certainly choose to go about it in a variety of ways. But if you want to preserve the option to have an H-1B without it taking effect immediately, the way to do it is consular processing. You're counted against the lottery cap, and it doesn't take effect unless and until the person departs, and usually and they get a visa at a US consulate one day.